Oh, good shot.
Brushed up lob.
Okay.
I have to tell you.
Yeah. Pam, what are you saying over there?
That if I wouldn't have gone in because it was a deep ball.
Yeah, and if my aunt had balls, she'd be my uncle. So if, you can't think like that. So I want you to come in. You hit the ball deep. If you hit the ball deep, you have to think this way. I'm still coming in, but I have to stop maybe a little bit sooner, maybe 2 more feet back. 1, 2, maybe 1 more. Now you're going to be able to still hit it in the air, okay? But it maybe shouldn't go over your head. You can't think like what you just said. You know what I mean? You have to think, how can I still stay in control from the shot I just hit?